What if your phone was making you money right now while you were sitting on your couch, while you were sleeping, while you were stuck in traffic on the way to a job you are not even sure you like anymore? That is not a fantasy. That is what passive income with AI looks like in 2026. And I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or some course that promises you the world and delivers nothing. I'm talking about real, legitimate income streams that real people all over the world are building right now using AI tools that most people do not even know exist. In this video, I am breaking down 5 AI passive income ideas you can start in 2026, even if you have never made a single penny online before. Stay with me, because idea number 3 is the one that completely changed how I think about making money online. Let's get into it. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into real income, one idea at a time. If you are new here, welcome. This channel is for anyone who is tired of trading time for money and wants to use AI to build something that actually works for them in the background. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a video. We drop new content every single week, and trust me, you do not want to fall behind on what is happening in the AI income space right now. All right, 5 AI passive income ideas. No fluff, no hype, just real actionable information. Let's go. Idea number 1, building an AI-powered digital product store. Here's the thing about digital products that most people sleep on. You create them once, and they can sell forever. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. Just pure passive income sitting in your account while you get on with your life. And with AI tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, and ChatGPT, creating digital products has never been easier or faster. We're talking about things like printable planners, budget trackers, wall art, social media templates, journal prompts, eBook covers, the list goes on. The truth is, people all over the world spend heavily on digital downloads every single day. Etsy alone processes billions in sales every year, and digital products are one of the fastest growing categories on the platform. You do not need to be a designer. You do not need any technical skills. You use AI to create the products, list them on Etsy or Gumroad, optimize your titles with the right keywords, and let the platform bring the buyers to you. The key to making this truly passive is volume. The more products you have listed, the more chances you have of making a sale every single day. To get started, pick one niche: budget planners for young professionals, motivational wall art, wedding planning printables. Go deep on one niche first, build up 20 to 30 listings, and then expand from there. This is one of the most beginner-friendly passive income streams available right now, and AI has made it faster than ever to build. Idea number 2. And yes, I know this is meta, an AI-powered YouTube automation channel. YouTube is still one of the most powerful passive income platforms on the planet. A video you upload today can still be generating ad revenue, affiliate income, and brand deal money 3 years from now. That is true passive income. And here's where AI changes the game completely. You no longer need to show your face. You no longer need expensive equipment. You no longer even need to record your own voice. Tools like ChatGPT write your scripts, 11 Labs generates a natural-sounding AI voiceover, Pictory or InVideo turn your script into a fully edited video with visuals, transitions, and music. You review it, make a few tweaks, and upload it. The entire production process can be done in a few hours. Finance, self-improvement, AI tools, history, true crime, these are all niches with massive audiences all over the world, and all of them work perfectly with a faceless AI format. The passive income part kicks in once your channel is monetized. After that, every video you have ever uploaded keeps earning for you month after month without you having to do anything extra. To get started, pick your niche, create your first 5 videos using AI tools, and upload consistently for 90 days. That's your runway to monetization. Idea number 3, and this is the one I told you about in the hook, building an AI ebook empire on Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is one of the most underrated passive income platforms available to anyone right now. You can publish an ebook on Amazon for free and earn up to 70% royalties on every single sale. And with AI, specifically ChatGPT, you can go from idea to published ebook in a single weekend. Here's how it works. You use ChatGPT to outline and write your ebook. You use Canva to design a professional cover. You upload it to KDP, and Amazon puts it in front of millions of buyers all over the world. Now, the strategy that really makes this passive is what I call the catalog approach. One ebook might earn you a modest amount each month, but 10 ebooks, 20 ebooks? Suddenly, you've got multiple streams of royalty income flowing in every single month from books that took you a weekend each to create. The niches that work best right now include personal finance, productivity, self-improvement, health and wellness, relationships, and, perhaps not surprisingly, making money online and using AI. These are topics people are actively searching for and spending money on every single day. To get started, pick a topic that solves a specific problem for a specific person. Use ChatGPT to create a detailed outline first, then build the content around it. Keep your ebook between 8,000 and 15,000 words, design a clean, professional cover in Canva, and publish. Then do it again and again. That's how you build an ebook empire. Idea number 4, AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing on its own has been around for years, but most people do it wrong. They spend hours manually writing content, building websites, and creating social media posts, and they burn out before they ever see results. AI completely changes that equation. Here's the model. You use AI to build a niche content platform, a blog, a YouTube channel, a newsletter, or even a Pinterest account. You use ChatGPT to create the content. You embed affiliate links for products and tools your audience genuinely needs, and every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, automatically, passively. The AI tools that are blowing up right now, the ones people are actively searching for and buying, have some of the most generous affiliate programs available. Tools like Jasper, Canva Pro, 11 Labs, and various online course platforms all offer recurring affiliate commissions. That means you earn every month for as long as that person stays a customer. Recurring commissions are the holy grail of passive income. You do the work once and get paid over and over again. To get started, pick a niche, sign up for 2 or 3 relevant affiliate programs, and use AI to create genuinely helpful content around those tools. Focus on search engine optimized blog posts or YouTube videos that answer the questions your audience is already typing into Google. The traffic comes to you, the clicks happen automatically, the commissions land in your account. Idea number 5, building an AI prompt and digital asset library. This one is newer, and that's exactly why the opportunity is so big right now. As AI tools become more powerful, more people want to use them, but most people don't know how to get the best results. That's where you come in. You build a library of high-quality AI prompts and digital assets for tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora, and you sell access to that library as a one-time purchase or a monthly subscription on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or your own website. Think about what that means. You create the prompts once, you package them into a clean, organized library, and then you sell access to that same library to hundreds or even thousands of people without ever having to create anything new. The demand for quality AI prompts is growing faster than the supply of people who know how to create them. Businesses, content creators, marketers, and freelancers all over the world are looking for ways to get better results from AI tools, and they'll pay for a shortcut. You can start small with a focused prompt pack around one specific use case,
social media captions, business email templates, YouTube script frameworks, and grow from there into a full subscription library. To get started, spend time genuinely learning what makes a great prompt. Test everything. Document what works. Then package your best prompts into a clean product and launch it on Gumroad or Payhip with a simple landing page. This is one of the most scalable passive income models in the AI space right now, and the window to get in early is still open. All right, let's bring it all together. 5 AI passive income ideas you can start in 2026. Number 1, AI Digital Product Store. Create once, sell forever on Etsy or Gumroad. Number 2, AI YouTube Automation Channel. Faceless AI-generated content earning ad revenue around the clock.
Number 3, AI eBook Empire on Amazon KDP. Build a catalog of royalty-earning ebooks using ChatGPT. Number 4, AI-powered affiliate marketing. Use AI content to drive traffic and earn recurring commissions. Number 5, AI prompt and digital asset library. Package your AI knowledge into a scalable subscription product. Every single one of these can be started this week. Every single one has real passive income potential, and every single one becomes more valuable the earlier you start. Now here is what I want you to do right now. Pick one, just one of these 5 ideas. Drop it in the comments below and tell me which one you are going with. I read every single comment, and I genuinely want to know which path you are choosing. If this video gave you real value today, please smash that like button. It costs you nothing, and it helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this information. And if you are not subscribed to AI Wealth Odyssey yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Every single week, we're here giving you real, actionable AI income strategies. No hype, no fluff, just what actually works. I will see you in the next one. Let's build this together. Peace.